Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable interaction control lock screen when deactivated in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, and here click on interaction control. Now first of all, turn on this interaction control shortcut, and then you will be able to enable or disable the lock screen when deactivated button. So if you want to enable interaction control lock screen when deactivated, then turn on this button. And if you want to disable interaction control lock screen when deactivated, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can enable or disable interaction control lock screen when deactivated in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.